On Sunday, May 14, 2023,
dozens of FIWA students had the opportunity to participate in the event of IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This workshop was a result of collaboration between IEEE Indonesia, IEEE Region 10, and BINUS ASO. FIWA was directly invited by the director of IEEE Indonesia section to participate in this workshop. The students were very enthusiastic about participating in this event, and some of them had the opportunity to express their opinions. The activity is expected to broaden the students' insights and knowledge in the field of technology, information, and electronics. The participation of the students in this workshop reflects FIWA's commitment to developing the quality of education and knowledge in the field of technology. Hopefully, through this workshop, the students will acquire valuable knowledge to advance the world of technology in the future.